yeah, 30 centimeters unit circle. And what you're going to see the data here. You might even see the video, which would be awesome, okay? Absolutely awesome. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's sweet. So this is the same information that we produced on the iPad. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Okay. Behind this, you can see that we have the video, and it's giving me my origin and my scale, and it's directly corresponding to the way you would do it in Logger Pro. Nice. I am impressed. I didn't know it did all this. So anyways, let me go back to my data here. One thing about Logger Pro is we can do other things. We can always take it over to Excel. We can take this data file over to Excel. And so the way we do that is we just go to File and Export As, and then we say CSV. Once I do the CSV file, I can call it something. Let me see, because it's a pop-up that's coming. Yeah, pop-up. I'll just call it unit circle trig. All right. And of course, I want to put that into Dropbox again, into the same folder. I don't want you to have documents everywhere. You see how much documentation we're producing here. So I need to go into the unit circle folder, trigonometry 1, and then just save it. And then I can open that particular file in Microsoft Excel. So I can say, let me see, new share, and I need to open this file in Microsoft Excel. So once Microsoft Excel comes up, I'll show that one to you as well. All right, so I am just going to open that file from Dropbox, and I'm expecting you guys to know how to work the Dropbox thing. I mean, you're on your desktop, so I'm expecting you to know how to do that. Right now, it's asking me for my password, so I'm just logging into my OneDrive account. Let me see, Dropbox. All right, so I'm opening this in Microsoft Excel right now, and we could easily process oh, that's the wrong one. Let me do that again. Open. It was a CSV file. I actually picked the Excel document that I had on that we worked with earlier. So now I'm going to share this screen with you guys. This is my Microsoft Excel screen. So you'll see that I have my data here. It's the same kind of deal. I can just double click, open up all of my data fields, and make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. And we could easily process the same thing here. I could get rid of my time, or I can just hide it. I can hide my X and my Y. I can produce my radius. And I know some of you guys like to work really fast, so I can produce my radius, I can produce my angle in degrees, and I can produce my angle. I'm not always saying it, but I'm saying it backwards this time. So this is going to be a radians. So I can do radians here. I can do my sine function. I can do my cosine function. And then I can do my tangent function. All right. So if I do my radius, you remember it's just a square root. And you can see my square root function is coming up. So I'm going to select on my X, and then I'm going to square that, plus my Y, and then I'm going to square that one. And then my angle in radians, if you guys remember, it's the arctan, A tan, and we want the A tan 2. So we just need X, comma, Y. And then we need the angle in degrees. So that's just going to be degrees. So you can see that the degrees function comes up.